Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are enjoying the series of videos on Apqp and Ppap. In continuation with our series of videos on Apqp, Ppap, today we will be discussing on product development process and advanced product quality planning and production part approval process. So how these are, how the Apqp and Ppap are integrated as a part of product development, that we will see, and then each of this is how it is embedded within the process of product development. So let's get started with the so we were discussing on PDP, Apqp and Ppap. So all three phases, all three are the process driven steps. So let's look at the product development process, or we abbreviated it as a PDP. So program gets kicked off. You have a scope and the requirements details collected, and design concept is developed at the end of the PDR, preliminary design review phase. That means that all the Apqp gets aligned from kickoff to PDR becomes the planning phase, and then from PDR to CDR, that is preliminary design review to design release or critical design review, that becomes the product design and development phase. That's where the major engineering activities comes in picture. So next phase in the product development would be from critical design review to the initial production approval. So for the initial production approval, the third phase of the Apqp, that is product design and development, overlaps, starts from the PDR phase and then goes up to the your initial production part approval process. And then after the initial production part approval process, PDP, product development process, the next one would be the production launch. So let us map and see the Apqp or advanced product quality planning phases. From kickoff to PDR, it will be planning phase. From PDR to CDR, that is product preliminary design review to the critical design review, it will be product design and development. From PDR to the initial production approval, it will be a process design and development. So this is basically cross-functional team activity. Implementation of Apqp requires the cross-functional team to be involved from the very early phase of the product development. And then the fourth phase, product and process validation, start at the mid of the CDR and initial production approval and goes up to the production launch. So the fifth phase start at the initial production approval, and then it stays ongoing production, use and post delivery services. It covers till the absolutions or eviction of the part from the market or the product line. So key production part approval process starts at the initial production approval, production readiness review, first article inspection, and production trial and product status. At the PDR to CDR, it will be at the prototype and test the product, and CDR to initial production approval, it will be production trial and production trial products, and the from initial production approval till the absolutions of the product, it will be the production of the products. So in between the initial production approval and production launch, there will be Ppap approvals, production process runs will be done, and then you will have the different process deliverables that we will be looking at our upcoming videos. Those will be your critical deliverables between the initial production approval to the production launch. So that way the advanced product quality planning and production part approval process is very much integrated with the product development process, and it also takes care of the quality at the initial phase. It is at the initial phase the time is invested upfront, so that it brings down the cost of poor quality. Hello friends, hope you enjoyed the today's session. I would like to request you all to subscribe, share, like, and then if you have any comments, please leave your comments. So keep watching my channel, enjoy the new learnings, and wish you all the best for your career. So, till then, take care, stay tuned, see you with the next video. Bye bye.